Okay, so here we are in my sim suite, and let's have a look at the problem. So the problem is, here's my Defib stud, and effectively on my fake patch. Right, and when I put it on the manikin, so I don't know if you can see that, put it on the manikin stud, I've got it on, it just comes off really, really easily. So it's not staying on very well. It's just not staying on, which means if we're trying to do chest compressions, it will definitely pop off really easily. So let's have a look and see whether the new ones actually are any better. So this should have been an easy job, but it took me a lot longer than I expected to get them on because I didn't realise. So when I took this stud off, it took off basically all of this. And it was actually only this little bit at the top I needed to take, but it's had so many shocks through it that the whole thing was kind of melted together almost. So now I've actually got both studs on, and it looks like if it worked properly and I'd used the tools correctly, I wouldn't have even needed to open the manikin up, I don't think. Anyway, let's go and put it back together again and see if it works. Okay, so here comes the test. Yeah, they stick out a lot more, but actually that's fine. Okay, so we chuck on the paddle. Well, that's gone on first time. Oh, that's popped off. No, that's on. Put on this paddle. No, now they've gone on. And that feels pretty firm. I don't think they're going to... Yeah, they're looking pretty good to me. They're not going to pull off so easily now. I think next time they want to do some CPR, we should be fine. Whew.